Hello guys, good morning, happy Tuesday everyone. I just need to have sunlight for a while before I continue what I'm doing. Remember, sunlight is good for natural vitamin D. No need to spend money to buy synthetic vitamin. You just have sunlight every morning. It's free and no side effect. See, only here inside because outside is so hot already. The sun is there. It's already up. See, there up in my head. See. This is what I'm doing every morning, especially in the balcony because the sun is coming inside. But the new house we gonna move maybe on 20. There is no balcony in the east side. The balcony, a small balcony, is in the sunset side, not in the sunrise side. But there is no sunlight coming in that house. But it's near in the Lake Park, Abu Dhabi. If it's winter, it's good to walk around there every Saturday, every day off. And the Cornice Beach is very near there because it's in Hamdan, near the WTC. The new house when we move, transfer. But until now, the house is not yet ready to occupy. They're still cleaning and painting the wall. Bye guys. Have a nice day to all. God bless everyone. Bye.